Most recent SEI news. SEI is once again worth more than 15 cents, and the general feeling about the SEI coin has gotten better. In the last 24 hours, there has been more talk about the SEI coin on social media. This is a good feeling. Data from the CrowdWisdom poll also shows a slight gain. Buzz on social media is now balanced, and the number of trades is now going up. The figures on derivatives for SEI are: the amount of SEI coins traded has gone from $92.44 million to $125.6 million, which is a rise of almost 13% in the last 24 hours. The number of open positions has gone up by 1.29%, which is worth $31.75 million. The long/short ratio for the last 24 hours is 0.769, but if you look at the long/short ratio for Binance accounts, you can see that the number of long-term users is going up. The current long/short ratio accounts is 2.03. When we look at the places, however, we see that the ratio is almost even, at 0.994. When it comes to losses, the short side doesn't seem to be affected much. The 1-hour and 4-hour rect figures show that short positions almost never lose money. In the past 24 hours, however, the loss has grown, but it is still less than the long bets. On a 12-hour scale, those with short positions lost $49.4 thousand, while those with long positions lost $45.4 thousand. After SEI mainnet went live, here are some important numbers. 390 milliseconds, P50, is the average time to finality. 700,000 blocks were made, 300,000 yen for new accounts. $12.5 million worth of transactions. For the next few hours, the price of SEI will be between 0.147 and 0.154. SEI token, should you buy or sell? August 15th, buy 60%, sell 10%, and get 50% back. August 22nd, buy 51.4%, sell 2.5%, and the total is 48.9%. On August 23rd, buy 51.2%, sell 2.8%, and the total is 48.4%. Price prediction for SEI based on technical analysis. The price of an SEI coin has once again risen above the 15 cents mark. In the last few hours, the asset's general momentum has been getting better. SEI is moving in a positive direction. On an hourly view, the net SEI token price is below its 50-day moving average, which is around $0.160. However, the asset price is now retesting the 50-day MA from below. With the way things are going, it's likely that the SEI coin price will break above the 50-day MA. The sign points in the right direction. The backing for the SEI coin right now is $0.140. If the price of SEI tokens drops below this level, buyers will have a chance to PUSH the price of SEI tokens below $0.10. The token's psychological resistance is $0.20. If the price of SEI coin goes above the 50-day moving average, buyers will be able to PUSH the price above $0.20. The general feeling about the SEI coin on the market is a little bit bullish. The SEI's Relative Strength Index backs up this view of the market. The RSI is neither too high or too low. It has broken above 50.0 and is going up. The RSI shows that the buyers are moving the stock forward as a whole. The fear and greed indicator bars have started to form in the greed zone, but the momentum indicator is within the bearish axis, but is slightly on the rise. The MACD line is now on the positive side of the MACD chart. When the MACD line is above the signal line and the volume histogram bars move up along the positive axis, this is a buy signal. How much will SEI cost in the future? Is SEI a good investment? SEI is a layer 1 blockchain that was made with one goal in mind, to make it easier to share and trade digital assets. Trading isn't just about tokens, it also includes non-fungible tokens, in-game assets, and even social characteristics. Many well-known Web3 organizations, like Uniswap and Axie Infinity, are basically exchanges. This shows how important exchanges are in blockchains. The exchange trilemma is a big problem that says platforms can't be decentralized, scalable, and good at using capital all at the same time. Say wants to solve this problem by giving exchange apps a way to grow without giving up their decentralized nature. Say's design is built around trading, which makes it the best choice for any application that involves markets. It has cutting-edge features like twin-turbo consensus and matched engines that are already built in. These features give exchanges big benefits, like better scaling and a better user experience. Say could have been built as a Layer 2 on Ethereum, but the limitations of Layer 2 solutions led to its choice to work as a standalone Layer 1. By focusing on trading, Say positions itself as a go-to platform for developers and users, drawing interest from big ecosystems like Ethereum and Solana. Say's vision is based on decentralization. Bitcoin and Ethereum are two examples of open-source blockchains that work on distributed systems. This eliminates the need for centralized control and makes the system more secure. Validator nodes are an important part of Say. Using the twin-turbo consensus method, they keep the blockchain safe. These validators check the accuracy of transactions and blocks and can earn awards. Physical separation is another important goal for the Say. Even though fewer nodes could make the network faster, Say's Atlantic 2 testnet showed that it could finish blocks quickly even without centralization. So, Say's mainnet works as a global network with no single point of control. The decentralized design, which is spread across different areas, makes the system more resistant to disruptions and keeps any one entity from having too much power. But it also needs strong infrastructure and good agreement, which Say's twin-turbo consensus helps with. Say ecology. The Say ecosystem is a group of different apps, projects, and businesses that all work to improve the Say blockchain. The $120 million Say Planet Fund can be used by people who want to help the planet. The environment is made up of many different sectors. Blockchains, data, DeFi, gaming, infrastructure, institutions, interoperability, metaverse, NFTs, services, social, stablecoins, validators, and wallets. Projects that stand out. For Everland is a place in the Say space that is always changing. Agoric, solutions at the forefront of the environment. Airfoil, Alpha Venture DAO, AMB, Andromeda, Apollo DAO, AssetPay, Astroport, Axlar Network, Babylon, and Band Protocol are all businesses that add unique value to the Say blockchain community. Say Liquidity Alliance. This alliance brings together builders and market makers in the DeFi sector, which strengthens Say's place in the decentralized finance world. Factomind, JST,